Right, so we're finally happy to be launching our step-on platform for when you're doing the bending of heavier material in the brake. Sometimes they'll tend to tip the brake over when you're bending. So this is our solution to solve that issue. We've designed it modular again, so this is 2 modules. If you have a 3-module brake, you get 2 modules of the platform. If you have a 4-module brake, we would recommend doing 3 modules of the platform so that you can cover pretty much the whole width of the brakes. The way we've designed it here is that we have those tie-down rods that will attach directly to the power plate frame, so that ensures that you're transferring 100% of your body weight right into the brake, as opposed to going through different parts of the brake to achieve that. So as you'll see here, you just step on the platform, and then you can really yank on the brake to make your full bend on heavier gauge material, and the brake hardly moves. So it's a very simple concept that fixes an issue and a challenge that has been brought up previously. So like always, we always try and improve. So this is our solution for it, and we look forward to your feedback.